Welcome to Tech Zone Online, your destination for amazing technology and powerful vehicles. Today, you'll see incredible machines that push the limits of engineering and innovation. If you love this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into the video. Somero SRS-6S. The Somero SRS-6S is a high-performance laser screed designed to make large concrete slab construction faster, smoother, and far more accurate. Built for commercial and industrial projects, it uses advanced laser-guided technology to create perfectly level concrete surfaces with minimal manual effort. Its wide screed head and side shift system allow operators to work easily around columns and other obstacles without sacrificing precision. Equipped with four-wheel drive and multiple steering modes, the SRS-6S moves confidently across challenging job sites while maintaining excellent maneuverability. It is also compatible with modern 3D grading systems, helping contractors achieve high COBOD 3D Construction Printer. The COBOD 3D construction printer is transforming the way buildings are constructed by combining robotics with advanced concrete printing technology. Instead of relying on traditional brick-by-brick construction, this innovative system prints walls and structural components directly from digital blueprints with remarkable precision. Its modular gantry design allows the printer to be expanded for projects of different sizes, from single-family homes to large commercial buildings and infrastructure developments. Using standard concrete materials, it minimizes waste while reducing labor requirements and construction time. Intelligent software controls every movement, ensuring each layer is placed accurately for maximum strength and consistency. Some models can even move continuously between multiple SCHWING S36RZ. The SCHWING S36RZ is a powerful truck-mounted concrete pump built to deliver concrete quickly, accurately, and efficiently on demanding construction sites. Equipped with a 5-section roll Z-boom, it can easily reach confined areas, tall structures, and difficult locations where traditional methods are less effective. Its advanced pumping system provides a steady flow of concrete over long distances, helping crews complete projects faster while maintaining consistent quality. The compact outrigger design offers excellent stability without taking up excessive space, making it ideal for busy urban construction sites. Designed for residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects, the S36RZ combines high pumping capacity with smooth operation and precise boom control. Ligchine LS120. The Ligchine LS120 is a compact laser-guided screed designed to deliver smooth, perfectly level concrete surfaces with exceptional speed and precision. Built for contractors who need professional results, this advanced machine combines intelligent laser technology with an easy-to-operate design that improves both accuracy and productivity. Its floating screed head and long-reaching boom allow large concrete slabs to be finished in fewer passes, reducing labor while increasing efficiency. Powered by a dependable Honda engine, the LS120 also features all-wheel steering and 3-wheel drive, providing excellent maneuverability even on crowded construction sites. It supports laser grade and optional 3D guidance systems for projects that demand maximum precision. With intuitive joystick Dynamic KEWAZO Ride-On Power Trowel. The Dynamic KEWAZO Ride-On Power Trowel is a high-performance concrete finishing machine built to create smooth, durable, and professional quality floors on large construction projects. Its ride-on design allows operators to cover wide areas quickly while reducing fatigue during long working hours. Powered by a reliable Honda twin-cylinder engine, the machine delivers the strength needed for warehouses, factories, airports, and commercial buildings. The dual-rotor system ensures even surface finishing while improving concrete compaction for a stronger final result. A heavy-duty gearbox and multiple blade options allow it to adapt to different finishing requirements with ease. Its low center of gravity provides excellent stability, while built-in safety features help protect the operator throughout the job. Icon 3D Printing Robot. The Icon 3D Printing Robot is revolutionizing home construction by using robotic technology to build structures directly from digital designs. Instead of traditional building methods, the system prints concrete layer by layer with remarkable precision, reducing construction time, labor costs, and material waste. Its intelligent robotic boom and advanced print head work together to create strong, accurate walls, while integrated software converts digital blueprints into automated printing paths. The system also features continuous material mixing and pumping, allowing construction to continue with minimal interruptions and a smaller workforce. Designed for residential homes and larger building developments, the Icon printer offers greater flexibility and consistent building quality. DRU TD500. The DRU TD500 is an advanced automatic plastering machine designed to make wall finishing faster, smoother, and more efficient. Built for residential, commercial, and industrial construction projects, it applies plaster evenly across walls while significantly reducing manual labor. Its automated system ensures consistent thickness and a high-quality finish, helping contractors complete projects in less time without compromising accuracy. The TD500 is compatible with a variety of plastering materials, making it suitable for different construction environments and finishing requirements. Easy-to-use controls allow operators to achieve professional results with minimal effort, while its reliable design improves productivity on busy job sites. By reducing physical strain and increasing KEWAZO Liftbot. The KEWAZO Liftbot is an intelligent robotic lifting system designed to make material handling on construction sites safer, faster, and more efficient. Instead of workers carrying heavy tools and building materials up scaffolding by hand, the Liftbot automatically transports loads along a modular rail system with impressive precision. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it operates for long hours while reducing physical strain and lowering the risk of workplace injuries. Its compact design allows for quick installation and easy integration into a wide range of construction and maintenance projects. Operators can control the system remotely, while built-in digital monitoring provides valuable performance data to help improve workflow and productivity. By reducing manual lifting and minimizing the need for